What's up everybody, this is NewTube Killer 001 and today I'm going to be showing how to upgrade your RAM on your laptop. Alright, so what you want to do first is, well, first you have to order the RAM or buy it. So like me, 1 gig RAM, notebook, memory upgrade, DDR2, 1 gig, blah 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 blah. And so you should have a chip. And let me just open it. It's difficult trying to hold the camera and tilting it out at the same time. So, yeah, here we go. Alright, put this on safe. You won't drop it or scratch the codes. You can throw this away. Now, you want to tilt your computer. Let me just check on the other step. Yep, tilt it because I'm looking on the instruction manual, so I won't mess up. Alright, so if you've seen my other videos, this one's for the hard drive, and this one where you got the CPU and all that stuff that makes your computer work. So you need to undo these screws. I've got one, and make sure you put it somewhere safe. So I'll put it in this box of my game. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. A lot of screws. 6. And 7. Right, so as you can see, my screwdriver is magnetic, grabs onto the screws easily. Put it in somewhere safe. Over there. I have any more screws left. So this one's still sort of like stuck. Now it's out. Now gently lift up the case. Still got one more there. Yep. Now gently lift up the case. Still warm because I was like using it. Anyway, over you got the fan cooling the CPU under it. Got the Wi-Fi card so you can catch up the broadband, the battery, and this is the RAM over there. Wait, let me just see if I'm right. Yeah, that's the RAM. Because that's my thing that was brought into it from the factory, and this, the 1 gig RAM, goes into it. Now this is difficult for me, alright, trying to hold the camera and do it at the same time, because since you need the whole, actually, let me just use this to hold this. No, it's not gonna work. Alright, let me just show you how to insert it. Alright, well, you may need your parents' help with this so you won't damage anything. Unlike me, this computer is very old and frankly I don't like give it SHIT. Alright, let me just put it in and show you, alright? Whoa, alright, now I gotta say that took me about 5 minutes or more trying to put this chip in. Whoa, god damn. Alright, now you need to close the case. So, like me. Yep, do the screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4. screwdriver, do them. Alright, make sure it's tight, screwed on well, and switch it on so you can check your memory. You insert it incorrectly. Alright. Alright, now this should pop up. Windows recovery. Click on start Windows normally. That could give you like the step 1 of you completing the RAM instruction. Like it's tell you that yeah, it's recognized and we're ready to roll it. Another thing that you may notice is how fast the Microsoft bar will go when the Windows logging screen is about to boot up. If it takes longer or the same time, then you may insert the RAM, like wrongly. It's not inserted it correctly. Mine's taking its time. And what the hell? Yeah, no. The hell now the fuck? Oh, there we go. Now this I need to replace that as well. What the hell? Okay, I'm just typing my password. So difficult typing with one hand. Huh. Oh shit, he just smashed a Lamborghini. Oh. And PlayStation. Alright, now this is loaded. Click cancel. And if that loads up, cancel. Still slow, but seems to be responding a bit quicker. Wait, let me just. Oh shit! Oh, we've got like 2 minutes left of battery. Need to charge it. Okay. Go on computer. Either on Windows 7. And then go to System Properties. Cancel. Right there. Well, shit, slow battery. But right there, it says 1.24. Alright, because it used to have 244 megabytes of RAM. Now it has 1. Right now the computer's switched off because it's low battery. But anyway, that's how you upgrade your RAM. Stay tuned. I'll be showing you how to replace the keyboard. All other cool stuff that you guys might need. Alright, stay tuned.